Typically, people clean seasonally during warmer months, but we still perform cleanings during the fall and winter months.
This is the Check-A-Pro Radio Show. Check-A-Pro Joe has assembled a team of pre-qualified home service contractors to bring you the latest in services, products, and techniques. Now, here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Check-A-Pro Joe.
There are different times of year where we think we need to get certain things done. In the colder climates, we're not going to paint our house or the exterior of our house, maybe not even the interior. But here's a question I have for our carpet cleaning expert, Erik Olson from Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning. Erik, what is the best time of year to get my carpets cleaned?
So that's a great question. I will answer it with a question. When was the last time you had your carpets cleaned? Right? If you had a hard time remembering, then it's probably due to be cleaned again, right? It's wise to protect your investment and not wait until the carpet appears dirty, because that's when the damage to your carpet fibers is occurring. So think of it this way. Do you change your HVAC filter when you start having a hard time breathing, or see all the dust in the air, right? Or your bed sheets when you start seeing stains, or the oil in your car when it starts running rough? Probably not. Like, you change or clean those things on a schedule to maintain health and cleanliness, to extend the life of those things, right? Carpet should be cleaned every 6 to 12 months, at the very least every 18 months. Typically, people clean seasonally during warmer months, but we still perform cleanings during the fall and winter months. Because we have a low moisture option, it's actually very convenient during those colder months where, you've got snow and ice, and a lot of people just don't like to have things cleaned because sometimes they imagine that the door is going to be open a little bit to run the hoses through the door. We can actually bring all our equipment inside. We perform a low moisture cleaning that we're not oversaturating your carpets, and they dry fast, and they're not going to put a strain on your HVAC or have a lot of humidity in the air. You don't have to worry about opening your windows when it's freezing outside, because we're just using a lot less water, and it will dry as long as you are at room temperature, right? 70 degrees, and you have good airflow, maybe a ceiling fan or a moving fan. So again, it really kind of depends on your schedule. People may hold off in those winter months, but we do have a 30-day guarantee. And so if there are any issues, we will come back and we will clean it again. You just want to make sure that you're staying on schedule for keeping your carpets clean, so that they always look beautiful, so that they are performing their intended purpose, actually filtering your air and keeping your family clean and healthy.
Thank you. So get on a schedule. Contact Erik and his team, Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning. All the information is listed in the description of this podcast. Thank you, Erik.
Thank you, Joe.
Check-A-Pro is your local source for pre-qualified contractors. Stay tuned for more of the Check-A-Pro Radio Show.